Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on new post flyer on your Reddit app. We will go to turn on this marker now. How we can do that on your Reddit app? You just go up here and this is picture here on app. You will click here on app. Then you just this is window show for you. Then you just click here on settings. Then you come here to settings window in this window and you just click here on account settings for you. Then you come here to account settings here in this window. Then you just click here on manage notifications. Then you come to a notifications window here in this window. Then you just go down and you come here, you click here on your post flyer. You just click here on this is mark. And like you say, this is color show for us. That's mean your post flyer is on now. So that's all now. I wish now I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you in next video.